Right now we're going to go over how to turn your spindle on and off and set your speed. Okay, if you're on your F2 screen, okay, you'll notice right here spindle stop is in yellow. To the right of it is a blank. Okay, there's two ways to turn your spindle on and off. This is the easiest way, and your spindle will go from 70 RPM to 2800 RPM, and you can just punch in a spindle speed that you want. Our spindle does not go counterclockwise, so you'll always hit spindle clockwise. The spindle turns on, it gets a signal from the encoder, and then it adjusts the voltage going to the speed control. Once it settles down, I just put in 800 thousandths, and right now it's bouncing between 792 and 816, so it varies about 20 RPM. The actual spindle variation when you're cutting is pretty much nothing. So that's the spindle on. Spindle off, you just hit stop and the spindle turns off. It does take a couple seconds for the spindle to get up to speed. So when you're running your program, sometimes it will hesitate before it actually starts to make the cut. Okay. The other way to turn your spindle on is on the same F2 MDI screen. You have MDI here. If you click that, your MDI command page comes up. And on MDI command, you would hit your spindle speed that you want. S, we'll say 1500. Okay. MO3 is spindle clockwise, so M03, and enter. Now your spindle changes from 0 up to 1500, and again it takes a couple seconds for it to settle out, and we're at about 1488 to 1512 right now. Okay, to turn your spindle off, M3 is spindle clockwise, M05 is spindle off. So that's controlling your spindle. In your program you'll have the same thing, S and whatever RPM you want, M3, and M05 to turn your spindle off.